Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on measuring your Sp02 on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's home button to open the app menu. Tap on this app icon that looks like a pink droplet. Tap Measure to start measuring your Sp02. Stay as still as you can and keep the watch facing upwards. You will see your Sp02 percentage here. You can tap the question mark to read some info about Sp02. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.